Hey guys, in today's video, we're comparing two powerful AI tools, ChatGPT and Jasper AI. AI tools are everywhere nowadays, whether you're a content creator, student, or developer, people want to know which AI tool is the best for their needs. In this video, we'll dive into features, creativity, usability, speed, and overall performance. So make sure you watch till the end. First, let's talk about ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an AI chatbot that's highly popular for answering text-based questions, content writing, coding, and generating ideas. Its biggest strength is its ability to give creative and detailed responses. Whether you need an essay, a YouTube script, or coding solutions, ChatGPT generally delivers highly accurate and creative outputs. Content creators, bloggers, and students use ChatGPT because it helps with fast content generation and is perfect for learning and brainstorming. However, one limitation is that ChatGPT sometimes doesn't provide real-time updates, and the latest data or trends aren't always available. So if you need trending or current information, you might need to check manually. Now let's talk about Jasper AI. Jasper AI is mainly designed for content creation and marketing. Is particularly useful for those who create blogs, social media posts, marketing copy, and ads. Jasper AI's biggest advantage is its template and prompt system, which makes content creation fast and easy. You provide a topic or idea, and Jasper AI generates multiple versions and styles of content for you. Jasper AI also allows tone adjustment and style customization, so your content can be friendly, professional, or formal. However, compared to ChatGPT, Jasper AI's coding and problem-solving capabilities are limited. It's optimized mainly for marketing and business content rather than technical or programming queries. So what are the main differences between these two AI tools? ChatGPT is more creative and versatile, ideal for content writing, coding, idea generation, and learning. Jasper AI is more business and marketing focused, perfect for blogs, ads, emails, and social media posts. Both tools are impressive in speed and output quality, but the use cases differ. ChatGPT for general purpose, coding, learning, Jasper AI for marketing and business tasks. If you're a content creator looking for creative scripts and articles, ChatGPT is better for you. If you're focused on business or marketing content, Jasper AI is your go-to tool. So friends, that was our detailed comparison of ChatGPT vs Jasper AI. Now tell us in the comments, which AI tool do you think is better, ChatGPT or Jasper AI? And if you want to see more AI tool comparison videos, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.